everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and this here is the WORKPRO two-piece compact plier set. I keep this on my rig because it's compact. It has this nice carabiner too that comes so I can clip it onto my belt or just clip it onto one of my toolboxes. And the quality of these two little mini pliers, which come in handy, believe it or not, when you are working in tight spaces, especially on RVs. Sometimes the spaces are really tight and you just need the smallest, plier to get in there to just make that nut a little bit tighter or looser. So you're going to get a two-piece here. This is a V-jaw with a quick release here to different sizes, which is really nice. And again, the build quality is solid. These are really heavy duty. There are little hooks on each end too as well. If you wanted to hang these on like a workbench, you could do that as well if you're not using the pouch. And then you also have this separated jaw here, which has two positions. So you can go ahead and get all the way closed or have a little gap here with these two positions. Again, really good quality. I love the quick releases. I love how everything is compact. I love how it comes in this pouch. It has two spots here, so one for each tool, and then it Velcro shut, clip it on, and you're good to go. Huge shout out to WORKPRO for gifting me this so I could do this review.